Hey everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. We are doing Pumpkin Week and today is day 2. Yesterday we did pumpkin rolls on a live, so if you want to check that one out, go back and look at that one and it'll show you how to do the icing that we're putting on these cookies, because I'm not going to do the icing on this video. We're just going to do the cookies. And you don't have to have icing on if you do not want them. But of course you know Billy wants icing on them and nuts in them. So the nuts are optional also. So.
Not in this house, though.
Not in this house. Nuts and vanilla are not optional.
Right.
Or icing. Or extra icing.
Hey, there you go.
So I have 1 cup of butter in here, which equals 2 sticks. And if you guys have not joined our lives, join them, please. We have so much fun on them. They are Mondays at 12:30. So we're doing one every day, or every Monday, except I've had a surgery coming up, so I won't be doing one.
It's the 21st of October.
The 21st of October. So, and then we'll see after that how it goes. But I know I won't be doing one then. All right, so we got 1 cup of butter in here. We'll mix that all up. Room temperature butter, guys. Always have to have room temperature. Butter and eggs. And we've got 1 cup of granulated sugar going in here. I don't know if you can see our peppers Billy just picked off of the vine.
No, you can't see them.
We're talking fall stuff, and he's still picking peppers and tomatoes. Nice peppers. Got 3 of them. Alright, so we have 1 cup of pumpkin, pure pumpkin, 100%, not the pumpkin pie mix, but 100% pumpkin going in. 1 cup.
Pumpkin puree.
You probably never knew there was a difference.
I didn't.
Alright. And we've got 1 egg here going in. And guys, if you've never heard of it before, if you smack your egg on a flat surface, you get less eggshells. If you do it on the side, somehow you always get eggshells. You do it on a flat surface, you don't get the eggshells like you do the other way.
You can get lucky sometimes.
So 1 egg, and then we're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla or so. Measure with your heart. All right, we're going to mix that all up. Oh, that pumpkin smells so good.
Pumpkin week. It's exciting.
Pumpkin week. We got pumpkin every day. And I don't know what's what each day. You know, we just wing it. I've got some recipes picked out. I'm just not sure what day we're going to do that.
I'm thinking the next one ought to be the donuts.
Well, listen at it. We need to do those in the morning, so
yeah,
we'll see what brings Wednesday morning. Oven is preheated to 350. Okay, so we got that all mixed up. And now we're going to mix up our dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour going in. Hudson cream, like you know we use. And 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And a teaspoon of baking powder.
blam.
Bam. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I will put the ingredients in the description box for you guys. A teaspoon of cinnamon. I have tried many pumpkin cookies in my life, making them, and this recipe is the best.
It's the bomb.
Yes. And a teaspoon of soda. They're going to mix that all together, because So we want that evenly distributed.
Yes, ma'am.
Woo! And not evenly distributed.
Keep it in the bowl, though, please.
You know.
I know.
That's what I do.
That's what you do.
And all of them do it, I'm sure. It
oh,
happens.
yeah. I've seen them all do it.
It happens. All right. Move this over a little bit here. So we're going to pour in about a third or half or something. We're going to mix this in a couple times.
Well, it does smell good.
It does, don't it?
Mm.
And for the icing, guys, if you want the recipe here, I have like 3/4 a cup, not 3/4 cup, a half a cup of butter, just 1 stick, or 3/4 of a stick, like 6 tablespoons. 8 ounces cream cheese, 4 cups powdered sugar, and vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla or so. With the powdered sugar, you just kind of go on how thickness you want your icing. For these, you want it pretty thick, that way it doesn't roll off. Okay. This has more power, I just didn't have it turned up. Because I didn't want it flopping everywhere on me. I mean, guys, this mixer, if you see, I have it in a lot of my videos. It's awesome. It's a KitchenAid cordless mixer. It's awesome. Okay. You want this? Mr. Batter Taster. His back's hurting still. Alright, so I've got probably a cup, 3/4 to a cup of walnuts I chopped up here. We're just going to stir those in. Do you like it?
Mm.
That time of year, pumpkin.
Think like pumpkin.
Wonder why. And guys, I opened a big can of pumpkin and just used part of it, and I just put it in a glass container, put it in the refrigerator, and use on it. It'll last up to a week in your fridge.
It'll be gone this week.
And more. Probably a couple of them. All right. Now comes the good part. The baking part.
Well, that was pretty simple.
Easy. Even you could do it.
Easy peasy.
Even you could have done that.
Not as good as you, baby.
You make your cookies as big as you want. I'm using my big tablespoon and a quarter or whatever this one is. And we're going to bake them for 11 to 13 minutes. Like I said, I've tried many recipes, but this one right here, this is the one I like. Some of them got ginger in them. I do not like ginger.
I do.
Well, I do not like it in my cookies. Some pumpkin rolls call for ginger. I omit that because I just don't like that flavor in it.
I love anything ginger. Ginger tea, ginger cookies.
Ginger from Gilligan's Island.
Nah.
All right. I might slip another one down in here. All right. So I'm going to put these in the oven, 350 degrees, 11 to 13 minutes. I'll let you know when they come out. All right. I took them out of the oven these are the big ones. So it took longer than the 13 minutes. It took about 14 to 15 minutes, I think, because they're bigger. So this is what it looks like on the bottom. Nice. They're still hot. Whoops. Still hot. We're going to let these cool on here, and then we'll ice them and do a taste test. But I have another batch in the oven, and I made some with my smaller scoop, cookie scoop. And we're going to turn those into whoopie pies. A little small cookie whoopie pie. Pumpkin. That way you get to sneak 2 cookies in, see?
A method to your madness.
Or I could have made them this big, though, and then slipped.
Yeah, you could have.
Yeah, but I just made small ones just to see what they look like. So we'll be back when those come out and cool, and then we'll do a taste test for you. All right, guys, I put another batch in, got it out. One more batch in the oven, and that'll be it. Look, I made these little ones that we can sandwich in and make little whoopie pies. You can make whoopie pies with the big ones, too. Look how good that looks. Billy had already taken one with no icing. Can you believe that? And he said it didn't need it. I don't know who he is right now. Because, you know, he's got to have icing. So they're really good. This is a really good recipe. Like I said, I've tried many over the years and just could not find one until I got this one. So good. I haven't tasted them yet. So good. And they stay soft. It's just, they're so delicious, guys. Hope you give this one a try. Let's do this.
They're light, fluffy.
So good.
Now, when my mom used to make them for me, they were a little more dense. Like thicker. But they were delicious.
And she liked mine too. I passed her test. She got to taste them before she passed away, and she liked them too. So look there, a little whoopie pie. How delicious is that?
How cute.
All right, guys, that's it for day number 2, Pumpkin Day. Like I said, I got another batch in the oven. I think there's 7 on that. So we got this and 7. So keep tuned for day 3. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And we love you all. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Pumpkin cookies, yum.